Hello everybody, you probably won't believe what I got here. This is a washing machine, not just any washing machine, but a portable washing machine. It also comes with a drying, the spin bucket. In addition to the regular wash, it is semi-automatic. It is the portable one because I'm starting to take more trips. And this actually fits in my car, so whenever I'm staying at the hotel, sometimes for extended periods of time, I can just, use the bathtub from the hotel and then just drain it into the bathtub of the hotel or whatever campground I might be at. So this is perfect for trips. Let's go ahead and open this up. I bought this from Wayfair. It was $160, $159.99. Took about 2 weeks to ship, and here it is in all of its glory of its beauty. So let's remove the plastic. I'm going to leave the protective plastic that's already on there to protect the unit. But yeah, beautiful. Here you have the owner's manual. I'm going to set that aside. And here's the spin bucket. And here is the main wash bucket. This actually belongs with the spin bucket, so I'm going to do right now. I wonder which way is supposed to go on. I don't think it really matters. Here's the wash bucket. Okay, it's still going to be pretty heavy, so I'm going to have to pause the video and take it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I do work at a chapel, so I'm also, in addition, taking it on trips with me perhaps. In addition to the home washing machine I already have, this will also be perfect for my workspace at my chapel, because we actually do some laundries here, and I sometimes like to do laundry when I'm on break, because not just for clothing, but for like cloths or whatever you use at work. In this case, I have a music job, so we have quite a lot of stuff to wash as well. So it's pretty easy to set up. There's the cord, there's the fill plug. You just connect this to the other side of your hose, and that's the drain hose. You just want to do this, and it drains. So it does not have a brand. It is an off-brand. And I don't know why there's a water here. I have to check the manual, but this is the drain can, the drain bucket, and this is the main wash bucket. Pretty nice. The unit only weighs about 20 pounds. It looks to be mostly made of plastic, so this is kind of what you expect for something at this price point. So I will make some videos of me test washing this in the near future. That's pretty much it for this video today. I'll have this set up in my office at the chapel, and I'll see you in the next round. Because there's no water in my office, I actually have to, every time I'll have to use the washroom and use the bucket to fill it in manually. So that's but that's not really the washing machine's fault. So yeah. Hello everybody, this is my washing machine. I have it all set up. It's only about 2.5 feet high, so it's nice and portable. I already have my clothes in. I already filled it up with water. Here it is, my garden hose. And this is my wash clothes results. So I'm just going to demonstrate. I'm going to put this in 3 minutes. I'm just going to turn it all the way and then turn it back. That's what the manual say. As you can see, you can put it on gentle. Although I don't really notice much of a difference. Right now I'm on gentle. Now I'm going to set this to normal. And not really a lot of difference. Because I already washed my clothes, I'm just going to turn this all the way back to 0. I'm going to put this in the spin cycle to show you how it works. Because this spins pretty fast, it's actually a good idea to leave water in the tub as you put it in a spin tub. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So this is how you drain. So after I spin it, I'm going to drain my clothes. Drain the spin tub. So this is how you take out the clothes. Just take this out first. This is like a safeguard, so I'm going to leave it on the floor. Yeah. I still like these better than the front load washers, so I'm actually going to take my shorts out first. Yeah, I'm just going to do this. It's not easy doing it while holding the camera, so but I'll show you what what it actually looks like. So yeah. It is a good idea to kind of wring it out as well as you put it in so you don't strain the motor as much. Now, of course, my final wash towel. Just 4 pieces of clothes, so it's perfect. Now I'm gonna have this on. Yeah, I might be overloading it a little bit, but whatever. There, now I got it on. So now it's gonna be, you know, because if I don't have water in here, there's no way, so it's just gonna move around. So it's always good to leave water in the tub as you use the spin tub. And I'm going to put this on about, let's give it 4 minutes. And then the water's being run out right now. And it's going pretty fast too. It's pretty powerful. A lot more powerful than I think. So, and here's the water for the drain as it comes out, as you can see. So, yeah. You have an idea. It is actually spinning pretty fast. And it does have a safeguard built in, so if I lift the lid, it automatically stops it. So if I put this on, it'll just, you know, keep going. So it's a nice safety feature for something this cheap. Okay, so my clothes are now done. So here they are in the spin tub. Oh, how am I supposed to open this? Oh, there it is. Yeah, sometimes it gets stuck because it's not made of the best quality materials, but whatever. Here. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the drain cycle. So I'm going to put this on drain mode and see what it does. Yep. It's releasing water now. I'm actually going to stop this. I wonder if it drains without power, because I don't want to, get my deck all wet. So I'm going to try and take it all the way, take it to there, to where my driveway is, or the chapel's driveway, or whatever. And it's just going to drain over there so I wouldn't damage the deck from being wet and soaking. So okay, so it is unplugged, as you can see. I'm going to put this in drain and see if it still drains, because some of these models have an electric pump, so it must be plugged in. I'm going to see if this one does, because the owner's manual does not say anything about it. So it looks like it does. That's great. Although moving it from here to here with a tub full of water, it is kind of challenging. It gets went from 20 pounds to like 60 pounds. So there's the water. So yeah, it's a pretty good product. I'll recommend it. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, stay subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.